we go again. Ready. I'm ready.
How are you?
How het met jou?
Hoe gaat?
Hoe gaat het met jou?
Fine, thank you.
Good, thank you.
What is your name?
How heet jij?
My name is...
Mijn naam is Cindy.
I am...
Ik heet Cindy.
Nice to meet you, Cindy.
Pretty kennis te maken? It's really...
Please?
Excuse me. Alsjeblieft, it's really hard.
Thank you.
Dankjewel.
You're welcome.
Geen probleem.
Yes.
Ja.
No.
Nee.
Excuse me.
Pardon. It's just French.
I'm sorry.
Sorry. Sorry.
I'm sorry.
Het spijt me.
Yeah. Goodbye.
Doei.
I can't speak.
Shh. Kira. Yeah, they're barking with us.
Show on the video though. No, it's too late. She's gone. She's gone.
Yeah.
I can't speak.
Where are you?
Can't speak.
Ik spreek geen Nederlands.
Do you speak English?
Spreek jij Engels?
Is there someone here who speaks English?
Spreek er her iemand Engels?
Yeah, it's okay. I'll let it pass. Help.
Help! It's so
Look
easy.
out.
Pas op!
Good morning.
Goedemorgen.
Good afternoon.
Goedemiddag.
Good evening.
Goedenavond.
Good night. Good night.
Wel te rusten.
I don't understand.
Ik snap het niet. Oh, snap is here. Snapshot.
Where's the toilet?
Where is the toilet?
That's it?
Yeah,
That's all?
I think. No.
I'm lost.
Ik ben verwaald.
Verdwaald. Er zit die in Nederland.
Oh my god. Ik ben verwaald.
Yeah, sounds better.
Sounds better.
Yeah.
Yeah, he thinks I speak Dutch. Like he wants me to be perfect.
He's lived here for years.
Okay.
A
But
year.
still, it's very difficult language. If you're an expat and living in the Netherlands, you will understand my feeling. The feeling is mutual, guys.
Shut up!
Why?
Stare out.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. You don't have feelings like it, guys. It seems that I was just forcing him here.
Yeah, she is.
Oh.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you for watching our video from Bisaya and Dutch 101. So yeah, please like and survive.
Survive the week, guys. So you can watch the next video.
Please like or subscribe, and please don't forget to click the button below and comment if I did it better. Then great.
You don't have to.
You're like a flower
Don't
in
hurt
here.
your
Just
feet.
sit and look. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.